So I would like to request you all to please stay remain. We will ask all of you that what are your experiences. So you will come from this side. So okay, one lady, one more. And you will.
Good afternoon, everyone. Especially for I would like to thank Julia for giving beautiful program for us. Sorry, because I feel blessed to stay. Yeah, in this year we enjoy stay together. Good teachers and beautiful friends like my friend David, Steve, John, and Saloni. Thank you so much for helping me. Yeah, today farewell means our separation day. So from today we are going to separate each other. I will miss you everyone and God bless you everyone.
Thank you so much for this.
Is the linguistics department good or bad to you?
Good.
Obviously good.
Yes,
What do you have in your feedback will have to the junior?
This department से बहुत कुछ मिला है, बहुत मैं कुछ ये शायद मैं ग्रेजुएशन के टाइम में भी ऐसा ही मिला। यहाँ बहुत कुछ एक्चुअली स्पेशली तो मुझे कभी इंग्लिश बोलने का मौका नहीं मिला। यहाँ पे आके मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस, सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस मिला जो प्रेजेंटेशन दे देता जो मैंने ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं दिया। यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत चांस मिला, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हाँ यही बोलूँगा। मुझे लिंग्विस्टिक डिपार्टमेंट पे आके बहुत कुछ जानने को, ग्रामर, लिंग्विस्टिक के बारे में वगैरह जो हम पहले बिल्कुल नहीं जानते थे उसके बारे में बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला और मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ यहाँ आके, बहुत ही ज़्यादा। थैंक यू सो मच।
এই ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে আমি অনেক কিছু শিখতে পেরেছি, স্পেশালি আমাদের এইচওডি স্যার, কিম ম্যাম এবং নিরঞ্জন স্যার যে আজকে আমাদের সামনে উপস্থিত নেই, এবং রাজকুমারী ম্যাম এন্ড নীলা স্যার। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ আমাকে এই 2 বছরের জার্নিতে সাহায্য করার জন্য। এবং আমাদের এই ডিপার্টমেন্টে এসে আমি অনেক নতুন ফ্রেন্ডস বানিয়েছি, যেমন শান্ত, জন আর ডেভিডকে তো আমি অনেক আগে থেকেই চিনি, যারা আমার আগের কলেজের ছিল, এবং নতুন আরো ফ্রেন্ডস পেয়েছি, শ্রাবণী, লালবেশে, যারা অনেক সময় আমাকে অনেক কাজে হেল্প করে। এবং জুনিয়রদের আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাবো এই সুন্দর অনুষ্ঠান আমাদের জন্য তৈরি করার জন্য। আমার জুনিয়রদের কাছে একটা আবেদন থাকবে, আমরা শুধু লিঙ্গুইস্টিক ডিপার্টমেন্টেরই স্টুডেন্ট না, আমরা এই ইউনিভার্সিটিরও স্টুডেন্ট। লিঙ্গুইস্টিক ডিপার্টমেন্টেও অনেক কিছু প্রবলেম আছে এবং ইউনিভার্সিটিতেও অনেক কিছু প্রবলেম আছে। ওই প্রবলেমগুলোকে সাথে নিয়ে আমাদের যে ভিতরে রেভলিউশনটা আছে ওটাকে কাজে রাখতে হবে। রেভলিউশন ইন দ্য সেন্স নট ইন দ্য ফিল্ড, মেবি থ্রু বুকস, থ্রু রাইটিং, we can do a lot more. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, my dear faculty, guest lecturer, my dear mates. First and foremost, I want to say that 2 years back when I came here, I did not know anything about morpheme, phonics. So yeah, we get in our bachelor's, but I did not know previously. But when I came here, I learned a lot of things. A lot means a lot. And to our professors, I have a message for you. Like, you guys are very cool and very calm. I really like you. Like, unlike like others department, like you are so cool. And to all my juniors, this department is yours. Learn language, but not just learn language, but learn to preserve language. And to all my batchmates, thank you all. Thank you for being with me. And thank you always for being with me. And also from attending class to last minute fest practice. Yes. We all became like family. Thank you all.
Now to our debut night, please come. Yes, coming to this department, I've learned a lot into languages, like more deeply in mother language, done more deeply, and especially our teachers, they help us.
Good afternoon once again. Since I have already shared my experience in the beginning, I have nothing to share. But also, I would just love to advise and suggest my lovely juniors is that please do concentrate in linguistics. It will give us more of knowledge about our own languages, not only our language, but then also about some other languages. So please try to concentrate and try to know more deeply about what linguistics holds basically. And also it can provide us a lot of information, and then like more necessary things, more or less it is a wonderful thing, linguistics. And again, today I don't want to speak much because lots and lots of emotions are flowing through. I have never been so emotional during any farewells basically. Even during my class 10 farewell, I was never ever emotional. Even during my 12th farewell, I was not even emotional. Even during my bachelor's days, I was eventually smiling, happy, because I was graduating from there. I was very thankful that time because I was going out. So that coming here today, although I became late, there is a reason why I became late also. But then yeah, today I feel a kind of a mixed emotion in me. I don't know why, but maybe this is called love towards the department. That's why I'm feeling this kind of emotion. And yeah, that's what it is. So try to be regular in the class, brother. This is the last suggestion. So yeah, thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I'm really thankful I got to be part of this department, and I have learned a lot from this department. And I'll miss everyone. And I'm thankful that I got.
Now we are ready to hear because this is the chance you will be. Okay. Whatever you have in your mind, you can express it.
Yeah,
You can tell also. Sometimes we don't take the class over. You can bring up I always agree. Because once we have committed to this, we should say it bold enough. We should be very bold enough to say that we have committed to this.
and I'm also thankful to each of the because I was able to read the department, but sir encouraged me, so I'm very thankful. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. This is teachers and all my friends. As it is the time to say goodbye to this department, I like to thank all my teachers for your guidance, support, and encouragement throughout our 2 years program. Thank you.
Also, I would like to thank my juniors for arranging this wonderful farewell program. As today we have gathered a special farewell program, I would also like to thank to my professors and my juniors and all my dear friends. So, before I don't know what is about linguistics, so by coming to this department, I have learned about linguistics. So, in my school days or in my bachelor days, I have never danced in my life. So, after coming to this department,
When you are there, so part of linguistics.
I even remember the step. Secondly, I also like to thank my professors for my guidance and support throughout this journey. As I am leaving this department, I will remember this department in my life forever. Thank you, that's all.
Everyone. Actually, I came here because of happy I got so crying. Actually, as I said, I came from my faith. I did not want to be a part of linguistics actually. I wanted to be a student of literature, but my marks were not enough there. So by faith I came here, but I feel really grateful for what my life has given me so far. Most importantly, what I feel most sad about is that few people who are standing at the back, they have become like more friends. Initially, it's not like so much. We used to just separate it only. But ever since we connected, I mean, by this time, I think we tried like 10 times. That will be even though we keep contact, but the fact that we'll not be meeting them regularly in classes anymore. And one thing that I would like to give as a suggestion to my juniors is that now you may feel that you've been really boring in this department. Initial days when I entered this department, I never felt that I'm coming to college. I always felt like I'm entering to an STM office because of whatever the environment is very silent. It's very silent, the number of students are very less. You will not get the vibe of a university here because of the less people. But once you get to know the importance of it, I bet you won't be able to, leave behind everything. More, I feel connected to this department more actually in the days of Agartala. That is where I knew the importance of what linguistics is actually. To be very honest, I never attended classes regularly also. I just used to make notes during the exams and then give the exam. But I have learned from this department a lot. A lot means a lot. You may feel that you know your mother tongue right now, but the more you go deep into it, you will realize that you're lagging behind a lot also. So try to make the most of it. As the ma'am said, don't worry to stand alone. You will feel that you get less opportunities here, but if you work hard, you will get opportunities from the place where there is less crowd. This is what I truly believe, and I hope that I will get more opportunities in the future as well. So, thank you.
Wishing a very good afternoon to everyone present here. As the day has finally come, so it is a very bittersweet day. Somewhere we are excited for starting our new journey, and somewhere we are sad to leave the department. It's like to say, we have many things in our mind but we don't know how to express it. But first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to all the teachers for their guidance and investing their valuable time on us. Without your guidance, we wouldn't be here today. And to be honest, this department has given us many opportunities. Like we had to participate in many things. And first of all, to be honest, we hesitated, but I think overall it was a good experience and a good lesson. And secondly, I'm also thankful that during these 2 years of journey, I got a chance to meet my wonderful classmates. And to be honest, I got a chance to learn a lot from them too. And lastly, I would like to thank all the juniors organizing this event and wish them all the best. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected our HOD, then faculty members, and my dear juniors and my guests. I want to say that I don't think that I will be coming in this department because I gave in literature, but then I didn't get. Then my brother, he suggested me that he can give in linguistics. Then I came here. Then by unknowingly I came here in the department. But from this department, I learned so many things. As earlier Sarodi said that now like we know about our mother tongue, but when we go deeper, analyze this, and then we don't know much. Means somewhere we are like we don't know. Means something mistake is there in there. But from this department, I learned so many things, and I know the importance of our mother tongue. And I'm grateful that for all the experiences we have shared together, my classmates. So I don't know how to express all my feelings. So I'm grateful for all the things and thank you.
The stories of relating to the department is more or less same for everyone, but again, they all create a very beautiful story. So now, for now, we are going to have a break from this session, but the torture is for over here. We have a lot to do in next session. We have a message from Niranjan sir also. We have collected message from all the students that we will present on the next session. So for now, we are going for a break. Thank you.
We have